back to another what me and my family eat. I'm just going to be filming like random meals, share like different meals that we eat, lunch, breakfast. I'm just going to try and make them really unique. Right now, we're going to start off the video. Actually, we're off to Waitrose. I fancy some Kinder Bueno, Pepsi drink, come back home and have a late lunch. We woke up a bit late. It's Easter actually. And so yeah, when we come back, we're going to have some chicken wraps for lunch. And also the kids have been wanting to eat sushi. Sushi's expensive, so because I was like, oh, I've got a little bit of money, you know, let's all like go down to Waitrose and buy some sushi. Let's do the little mini food shop, and then I'll come and share what we've been eating for breakfast, lunch and dinner the past couple of days.
Enormous, instantaneous